Hello Adam, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, representing a personal video for you for this beautiful Lexus. This is the 2015 Lexus. It just came to a showroom and is ready for sale, fully safety certified. The price is $33.88, and it's been done brand new tires, brakes, disc brakes, and comes with a sunroof, and also it's a black leather interior. Inside I show you, you do have the power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. You could set 3 settings for drivers, and you have the multimedia system here and GPS. The vehicle is very clean. If you want to come take a look, please come to see us. The vehicle is still available, and if you want me to secure this vehicle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. You can see inside a good size of trunk, and got the 60/40 split seats. So push the button on this, close the tail, so please we work today is the Wednesday. Our business hours is 9 to 7 p.m. and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.